Welcome to the inventory module. Please log in using your login credentials. This is the main menu of our ERP system. Now let's take a look at the inventory module. Next, we'll open the inventory dashboard. The inventory dashboard is now open. From here, you can filter and view stock in and stock out, as well as check the current stock by equipment. Now let's move to the consolidated inventory dashboard, where we can see the top performing products. Here are our top performing products, showing the top 5 products received and the top 3 products issued. Next, let's go to the stock in view and stock out view. This was a short introductory video of our inventory system. For more details, please visit our website today and book a demo.
www.gloriousanalytics.com